a deep dive into exciting cancer research. This conversation explores exciting new cancer research, focusing on colorectal cancer and the potential for complete remission using a new treatment. This treatment is revolutionary because it harnesses the power of the body's own immune system to fight cancer. To understand this treatment, it's important to first understand how the immune system works and how cancer cells can evade it. The immune system is usually very good at detecting and eliminating threats, including cancer cells. However, some cancer cells are sneaky and can evade the immune system. Mismatch repair deficiency. One way cancer cells can evade the immune system is through something called mismatch repair deficiency. All cells have proofreading mechanisms that check and correct errors in DNA, especially during cell division. Mismatch repair deficiency is like having a team of editors on a coffee break, meaning the proofreading isn't happening as it should. As a result, errors pile up in the DNA of cancer cells, making them look different from healthy cells. These errors are like typos on a wanted poster that make it difficult for the immune system to recognize the cancer cells. The PD-1 pathway. Another way cancer cells evade the immune system is by exploiting the PD-1 pathway. Answer that the PD-1 pathway is like a checkpoint on a busy street that helps keep the immune system in check, ensuring it doesn't attack the body's own cells. T cells, the soldiers of the immune system, have PD-1 receptors that act like ID cards. When they encounter another cell, they check its ID, and if everything looks good, they move on. Cancer cells produce molecules called PD-L1 that act like fake IDs, tricking the T cells into thinking they are not a threat. The T cells see the fake ID and move along, allowing the cancer cells to evade the immune system. This effectively disarms the body's best defense. A groundbreaking treatment. Dostarlimab. This is where the groundbreaking treatment, a drug called Dostarlimab, brand name Jemperli, comes in. It's a monoclonal antibody designed to mimic the antibodies the body naturally produces to fight infections, harnessing the body's own natural defenses. Dostarlimab is unique because it targets the PD-1 checkpoint, interfering with the cancer cell's fake ID system. It blocks the PD-1 receptors on the T cells, preventing the cancer cells from presenting their fake IDs. This allows the immune system to see the cancer cells for what they are and attack them. Study results and implications. A study involving 16 patients with mismatch repair deficient colorectal adenocarcinoma, the type of cancer where the proofreading mechanisms are not working, was conducted. Each patient received Dostarlimab every 3 weeks for 6 months, with some experiencing mild and manageable side effects. Incredibly, after 6 months of treatment, every single patient experienced a complete disappearance of their cancer, achieving 100% remission. This result was unprecedented, especially with colorectal cancer, sending shockwaves through the medical community. It was a significant leap forward in cancer treatment, likened to winning the lottery for the patients and their families. While this is a small study, and more data from longer-term studies are needed to confirm these results, it is incredibly promising. It represents a huge step forward in understanding immunotherapy and how it can be used to treat cancer, especially colorectal cancer, which is typically difficult to treat. This discovery has opened the door to a whole new way of thinking about treating cancer, with the potential for the body to fight off cancer on its own. Limitations and future research. Importantly, this therapy was designed for people with mismatch repair deficient tumors, which represent a small percentage of all colorectal cancers. Therefore, it won't work for everyone right now. However, the goal is to expand this therapy, tweaking it to work for other types of cancer. This discovery has unlocked a new pathway, and scientists are eager to learn from it and apply it to other cancers. Even if this therapy doesn't expand to other cancers, it has opened up numerous avenues for research. Scientists are excited about the possibilities and are flocking to this research area, like a gold rush, to understand how to harness this new knowledge. The importance of public awareness. Public awareness is crucial because research requires funding, which often comes from public interest. People need to understand the importance of this research to support funding efforts. Spreading the word and advocating for research funding is vital for advancing this groundbreaking work. This conversation highlights the incredible potential of this new cancer treatment and the excitement surrounding its future. It's a hopeful reminder that even amidst the challenges of cancer, breakthroughs are possible. This discovery might just be the tip of the iceberg, with many more mysteries of the immune system waiting to be unlocked. The future of cancer treatment is filled with exciting possibilities.